Kaspar Paur, värava autormees, kes on olnud aktiivne.
Let it burn to the ground. Eyes wide shut. No matter what they say, I'm writing my own tale. I'm fighting my own way, and I will survive. No matter what they say, I've chosen my own way to tell you my story. I know I'll survive. No matter what they say. My way, no way, non-believers okay. I'ma showcase how I made it through the cold days. Heard them say addicts, mediocre average, dead and gone, down and out, cold-hearted bastard, anti-social, don't take it personal. I don't fuck with anybody, keep a tight circle. Same goals, same dreams, same values matter. Honesty, loyalty.
Linnamäest tulemas Tassis, Kaspar Paur pääseb läbi ja õigu jommis.
On my knees, darkest hour, G.O.D's power got me back on my feet. No matter what they say, I'm writing my own tale. I'm fighting my own way, and I will survive. No matter what they say, I've chosen my own way to tell you my story. I know I'll survive. No matter what they say. When I feel I'm on burning ground, hold my hands, let me know it'll turn around. Show me how to be strong, I wanna stay alive. Oh yes, now I know I will survive. All my life I had a dream I'm running for. I see the sun come out.
You can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
Cause you burn with the first flame.
Seda posti ja posti tuleb
The
tuleb ära.
world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broken.
Do it for your people, do it for your pride.
Seal kaks meest võmisevad ning päris hea võimalus Paidel jõuda karistusalasse ja siis ollakse meest üks üle väravahiga ja tuleb seal löökles ja blokeeritud.
Politicians be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be truth seekers, be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name.
The King Kong hanging on your chest. You could be a hero,
doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist.
This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots, his stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of